In this video we're going to show you how to wash sneakers properly. Whether your sneakers are dirty from everyday wear or need a deep clean after an outdoor adventure, knowing the right way to wash them can keep them looking fresh and extend their life. Let's dive into the best methods for cleaning your sneakers. Regularly cleaning your sneakers not only keeps them looking good, but also helps maintain their structure and performance. Dirt, sweat, and grime can break down materials over time, so a good cleaning routine is essential. Before washing your sneakers, check the care label or manufacturer's instructions. Some sneakers, especially those made of leather or suede, may require special cleaning methods and should not be submerged in water. Start by removing the laces and insoles from your sneakers. Laces can be washed separately, either by hand or in a laundry bag in the washing machine. Insoles should be cleaned gently with a mild detergent and a soft brush to avoid damaging their shape or material. Take your sneakers outside and knock the soles together to remove any loose dirt, mud, or debris. Use a soft brush or an old toothbrush to scrub off any remaining dirt from the soles and crevices. Fill a basin or sink with warm water and add a small amount of mild detergent. Dip a soft brush or cloth into the soapy water and gently scrub the exterior of your sneakers. Pay attention to stained or heavily soiled areas, but avoid soaking the sneakers, as too much water can damage the material and adhesives. After cleaning, rinse your sneakers with clean, warm water to remove any soap residue. Use a clean towel to blot away excess water from the sneakers. Do not wring or twist the shoes, as this can distort their shape. Stuff your sneakers with paper towels or a clean cloth to help them retain their shape as they dry. Place them in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight or heat sources, which can cause materials to warp or crack. Allow them to air dry completely before wearing. Wash the laces by hand or in a laundry bag, and let them air dry. For insoles, use a mild detergent and a brush, then rinse and air dry. Once everything is dry, reassemble your sneakers. And there you have it. Your sneakers are now clean and ready to hit the streets again. Regular cleaning will keep them looking fresh and help extend their lifespan. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on keeping your footwear and gear in top condition. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.